The Swiss stone pine is one of those evergreens where you wouldn't necessarily use it for a windbreak tree. It isn't going to be a large growing tree here. So we'll use it more up around the landscape. Quite often right off a corner of a house or a patio or even by a front door. Grouping of them off a corner, out in the corner of a yard, in a bed. They're just a great tree, again with no insect or disease issues right now. They are a 5-needle pine, and again 5-needle pines are resistant to the blights. So the blights that have affected the ponderosa and the Austrian won't affect these. Will pine wilt come along and affect these someday? We don't know. As of right now, we aren't seeing pine wilt on Swiss stone pine. So they're a slower growing pine. If we get 4 to 6 inches a year, that's typical. They're very pyramidal in shape, fairly layered. So they give you a little bit of that alpine look at times, which again we kind of like off of patios or decks. Give you that feeling of being on vacation. They're very tough, just like the name implies. Swiss stone pine, they come from a cold climate. So it isn't the winters that kill them here. If anything hurts them, it's probably the extremes we go through. When we are 70 one day and we might drop to 5 degrees the next night, you might see a little burn on them. But I seldom see that on them either. They're a thicker needle. Just a super tough tree. I really just don't have any issues with them. I highly recommend the Swiss stone pine to be considered as a tree to maybe put up around the landscape. If you want a little bit of evergreen and nothing that gets quite large, like it branches on the house or on the patio or on a railing, they keep to themselves very well and gives you that nice look of the evergreen.